Hello everyone, this is Ian Lamont, author of Excel Basics in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to format numbers in Excel. And in this particular example, we have our three salespeople. Basically, this is their monthly salary and commission together, and then I've added together the total. So I've already done that one, and then I manually typed in these numbers, 5,020, 5,600, 5,425, and used auto sum to total together. But you'll notice that even though the basic formatting is the same, that is the font, and this one's italics, and this one's not, there's no dollar sign in front of it. And actually, if you click on it, you'll see that up here, Excel says it's general, just a number format. But if you click on this one for January, it says it's currency. So the question is, well, how do I get this one to also say currency or to be have a dollar sign in front of it? And there's a couple ways to do it. Let's start with Jennifer in February. So one way you can do it is if you have a number here, you can just click in front of it and type in a dollar sign, and Excel should recognize it as a currency. And indeed, it did. So that's one way to do it. But if I had to go through, let's say I had a whole row or a column of numbers here and I had to manually type each one in, that would not be fun. And also, it's possible I would accidentally make a mistake and delete something. So there's another way to do it too. And that is just to highlight the cell and then hit the dollar symbol here, which is right on the home tab in the ribbon interface. So just click that. Okay. Now, when I did that, you can see that it actually was using the strict interpretation of a dollar, and it adds the cents at the end of it. So if you want to get rid of those zeros at the end, you can use these two buttons up here. It basically decrease decimal or increase decimal, and basically we want to decrease the decimal. So we want to get rid of that. I don't even want to see dimes. I don't want to see anything except for dollars. And there we have it. Okay. And then let's make sure that that is currency again. Oops. Okay. Next, we have these two here. And if I wanted to, I could just highlight multiple cells at the same time and do the same thing. Click that. And if you see that there are these crosshatches here, basically what that means is there's not enough space to fit in the whole number. And what you need to do is either need to widen the column, or you can use the decrease decimal button again. Okay. So that looks kind of normal. And then you can see that the dollar signs over here, you can fiddle around with things with either the drop down here for currency to make it look normal. Okay. So basically that's how you format something as a dollar. And if you wanted to change it, like let's say that, oh, they're not being paid in US dollars, they're being paid in British pounds. See this little drop down here next to the dollar symbol? Click on that, and it gives you the option for English pounds, United Kingdom pounds, and it has that weird little symbol next to it. So let's click that, and look, it's actually made it into pounds again. Now, this still shows dollars, so you could delete them and then redo the equation. Let's try that. Do auto sum. No, it's still formatted as dollars. So yeah, you'd have to go here and then format that as English pounds again. And again, we have that silly problem with the not enough space. So I got rid of that, and then same thing here. Change it to English pounds. We could change it to any. They have a whole bunch of currencies there. Most major currencies in the world, Chinese yuan, the euro, Swiss franc, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so that's how you format numbers in Excel, and I used dollars and pounds, but you could also change it to other things too, percentages, scientific measurements, what have you. For more information on how to use this and other features in Excel, check out my book, Excel Basics in 30 Minutes. It works for Excel 2016 as well as other versions of Excel, including Excel Online, earlier versions of Excel, and also Google Sheets, which works in a similar way to Microsoft Excel. Thanks again for watching.